there. We got the caddy. We're about to go to a car meet. Got the mini bike, of course. Bro, look at the beauty that I walk out to. Allah, verga, cuz. Ah, nah, it's static. Oh yeah, this is my whip. Yeah.
Then you have to go for recording.
Oh.
What are you recording for?
Oh no, my YouTube. You got YouTube too or what? Bro, I'll follow you back. Oh, I'll subscribe. Good looks, bro. Thanks, but yeah. Yeah, this shit's static on coilovers.
Coilovers is crazy.
Yeah, bro.
That's fire, bro. Like, keep it up.
But hell yeah, bro. Thank you. Hey, I'm glad you guys like it. Thanks, bro. Yeah, bro. Everything's custom, modified and shit.
Hey, can I whip it?
Yeah, fucking go for it.
I swear.
Just be careful. Yeah, that shit fast. Yeah, bro. That shit faster than stock. Yeah. Let me put it in the middle speed so it's not too crazy. Go for it. Chilling. Yeah.
Even reach the top, but I know where it goes.
No, yeah, I have an even higher mode on it. That was like one of the lowest.
I know. I didn't like. Oh, you built this yourself?
Yeah.
Electronic motor.
Yeah, it's all electric. I like another battery in there and shit. It's off of 2 batteries.
This is like a regular Razor. Bro, try it. Maybe later.
All right, for sure. I'm gonna be right here then, bro.
I appreciate it.
All right. Hell yeah, bro. Y'all take care. Hey, Logan.
Big Andy.
Oh shit! Hey, ¿qué onda, cuz? Oh yeah, it was good. Hey, they like the whip. Yeah.
Mateo? Yeah, bro. Don't be surprised.
They like it. Oh shit! What's up, pa?
Are you vlogging right now?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. They like the whip.
Are you putting your badge?
On the side, yeah, the VIP. There. Oh shit, it's too bright. Yeah, this one, the bottom one.
Because they cargo see. You need more low, huh?
I need more low.
That's already half the rim right there.
Oh, no mames. Oh, let me see my
It would
key.
have been better, fool.
Oh, ¿qué onda, cuz?
Hey, where'd I put this shit?
Oh, just put it in front of the car. What's up, pa?
You
You never seen it before?
I've never seen it.
It's monster truck.
Damn. We're going about hall, bro.
I'm trying to go lower.
Chandelier in the back.
Look at the chandelier and the
Oh,
stars.
there is?
Yeah.
My bad. Is this the second one?
Yeah. Because his first one went bad, but this one's better. It has more power. Who's this? Dude, that shit sounds good. Aw. Sick hearted.
Thank you,
Sick
bro.
hearted.
Thank you.
What's up? Oh, you got some?
I got the scooter right here for you, G.
Huh?
$2. That's all you right there.
$2?
$2.
Bro, let me
You
see.
can't lose, G.
I got $2 right here.
Say less, G.
Bro, fuck yeah. Good shit, good shit.
Taladro, a 5/8 will hit that bottom rivet in case you want to paint it. That's what I
Oh.
do with these. I customize.
Oh, okay, yeah, I might do that shit. Hell yeah, bro. Good look.
Hey, appreciate you. That's
Bro,
dope.
good
G.
shit,
I
good
was
shit,
hold
good
on,
shit.
let me appreciate you, big dog. I got you.
Yeah, you have a good one. Where's Logan? Logan! Where's Logan? Logan! Bro, what the fuck? Bro, you guys parked far. But yeah, I saw your whip. Where's that shit? It was like right there. Huh? It's not even the fastest. Some light. Some light. Some light.
Carry that shit in there. What you mean light, bro? That shit hard. Come on.
It's far from being done.
That's just scary.
Oh, the bike?
Yeah.
You tried it?
Remember I drove your little one?
Oh, yeah.
The tire popped? Bro, I drove it one of those little shits that I was on the tire popped. Walk that shit. Oh, it's like 40 pounds. Just like, oh, like you did the scooter? The scooter? That's already walking all the way.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Thanks. I still got more work to put in.
With the bird scooter? 20s is crazy.
Oh, yeah, 20s and shit? Yeah.
Oh my big, unless you want to.
Oh, there's Anthony. Hey, Joe. Oh, yeah, how's with this one? Hey, look what I bought.
Huh? Oh, what the specific?
Some fool sold it to me. He was like $2.
You're like, hell yeah.
I was like, fuck yeah.
How much did he buy for?
$2.
Really?
Yeah. Sheesh.
That's a 6 sold though. You know that truck, huh?
That shit hard, huh? $2. The cut in the field.
Oh.
Yeah, 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 yeah. 7 a.m. waking up in the kitchen, gotta get fresh, gotta get a mind.
Se quema, no quema, a la verga,
Damn, no quema la mamadona,
a la verga.
Where's my girl at?
Stupid. Oh shit, like he got a turbo.
This is turbo right here, you already know.
Damn, stop playing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can't see it, but it's somewhere right there.
It's somewhere there.
It's somewhere right there, yeah, it's somewhere right there. Yeah. What the fuck is this dude? Damn, that shit got VTEC.
VTEC! Turbo! Hey! Shit! Hey!
That fool revved it next to you, huh? Fucking Anthony, bro.
Look at this dude.
Don't burn out. Put in first.
So back up with your legs.
Some light. Angle it to the side. Angle it to the side. It's because you got a Mustang.
Oh, it's over there. Look.
Oh, it has a horn. I forgot to tell you. Oh, look, he got his light on. All right, everybody's heading out. Yes, sir. That big ass bump right there. All right, guys, we're about to pass this big ass bump. Fuck. Did they fix it? Oh, fuck. Damn. That wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad, guys. Good thing I went slow. Alright, we got Mateo pulling up right here. Watch. Check him out, check him out. Shit! Oh, look, 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 shit!